Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting to the right settings quickly. Unlock your iPhone and open settings from the home screen or app library. Once done, scroll to focus and tap Do Not Disturb. This groups silence rules in one place. Make sure Bluetooth or audio apps aren't actively routing calls if you want full silence. This first step positions you to configure rules and exceptions without accidentally missing critical alerts, so keep settings open and ready for the next adjustments. Toggle Do Not Disturb on to silence calls, alerts, and notifications. That immediate action buys you quiet. Next, tap People to allow specific contacts, then Apps to permit essential notifications. This is how you balance silence with critical alerts. Use Schedule to automate start and end times, or enable bedtime and driving options to refine behavior when you sleep or commute. Make sure to review repeated calls if you want emergencies to break through. And finish by fine-tuning visuals and sharing. Choose whether the home screen hides notifications and whether the lock screen dims during Do Not Disturb. Enable focus status so apps can display your silence to others. That reduces repeat messages. If something goes wrong, notifications still appear or DND won't switch. Restart the iPhone, check for overlapping focus schedules, and verify focus filters aren't allowing notifications. These final checks ensure Do Not Disturb behaves predictably, and you keep interruptions under control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.